Hello there, welcome back to the Rory Revs channel. I'm here in the CRX, but I'm not actually filming that today. I'm filming a very high mileage old Ford. It's a model that my dad used to own, but not this specific model. Long story short, this car has over 500,000 kilometres on it, which is over 330,000 miles. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm going to be driving today. An F-Reg Ford Granada 2.9i Ghia X manual. Cool. Oh, as you can see, the boot's quite large. It can fit a chunky little fellow. Oh, I've never been in the boot of a Granada, but I have now. Let's go for a drive, shall we? Right, we're in the Granada. I've got the sunglasses on so we can see both ways. What can you tell me about it?
Well, so I've had this for 3 months now. Got it for the show season, really, for the rest of this year.
This isn't really Festival of the Unexceptional sort of car, is it? 'Cause this is kind of exceptional, but well, it's kind of high spec unexceptional.
There is that, I suppose.
I think people would like it though. There,
I was thinking about taking it.
I would,
but I'd like to if I can. I'd like to get into any show I can really with it. But I've got to do a lot of, well, I say a lot, I mean I've got to do some work on it.
It definitely doesn't feel slow.
No, it's not bad.
That's just under 3,000 RPM at 70.
You get a bit of wind noise obviously with the sunroof open, but
that's not too bad.
Although I think pretty much every one of these had a sunroof, to be honest with you. I think the only ones that didn't have a sunroof were the police models, because they're designed obviously with the light bars and stuff. So they couldn't have a sunroof. And they were based off of the same engine, the 2.9 V6, but four-wheel drive.
Wow. You've driven it quite a lot though, haven't you?
I've driven it a lot, yeah. I've been to Southend and back. I've been, obviously, East Coast Retros meets in Shotley.
Highly recommend you check out East Coast Retros.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Shout out to Michael Carpenter and Baz and the guys that run it all. So how much horsepower do these have?
So supposedly new, they were about 150 brake.
Like for the time, I mean, it wasn't for power though, was it? It's for like comfort and just being smooth.
My engine doing. It's very leaky. It just does. Yeah,
I love it.
It is what it is, really. My favourite feature is when you park them up after going for a long run, the expansion bottle makes it like sound like a kettle.
I say, I'll just drive it normally. I'm not gonna. Oh, lovely! It's ever so nice. The clutch is really low.
It is very low.
That's good. Oh, the gears are nice and long.
It does take, the gears are very long ratio with these.
Oh, so nice. Oh, it's quite nippy.
It's got a bit of poke in it.
So the brakes. Okay, so what if you needed to stomp on them? They're a bit interesting.
They're just a bit not conventional feeling, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it doesn't drive like a 300,000 mile car at all.
No, it's really smooth. To me, if you covered the thing and you said, "What is this?" I'd say it was a Jag.
I've only really driven the old Granadas and stuff. We only have car I've driven.
So I might get some burbles.
So it's quite a sophisticated setup really. So we've got bracket pinion steering, the first the struts on the front, the suspension, and then we've got multi-link on the back.
Oh.
It goes quite well.
Oh, it sounds so lovely. Like, you don't even need to rev it up.
No, you don't.
Like, just to 3,000 or whatever, it just sounds really nice. I'm sure if you revved it up, I'm sure it's mental, but it's got a lot of torque.
Well, these were known to be quite a torquey old engine.
I love it. The steering's really nice. The ride is really nice.
That's the other thing I liked about it.
So comfy.
Even when now it's lowered on 40 mil lowering springs, it's still comfortable.
I've always said that to people though. If you like how your car rides, but you want to make it look better, just do lowering springs because it'll still drive nice, but it'll handle better.
Yeah.
But
It was a bit of a pig in the corners, I must admit.
I'll say I've been going to East Coast Retros for years now, and I love it.
Well, I started when I first bought that first Mark III Granada. I bought it back in 2021, I think it was. I bought it.
Okay. Oh, the brakes are okay.
Yeah, they're not
I
bad.
feel that they're like you'd have to push them a bit.
They are the first car to.
Oh, third probably.
Well, these were the first mass-produced car to feature ABS brakes, even for the base model.
Ah. Am I right to put down a little bit?
Yeah.
I won't go too mental. Obviously, I remember he said don't send it because just get up to 50. Whoa. Oh. Sounds really good.
So the 24-valve Cosworth examples, I think they came out in 91. I think they came out the Cosworth ones.
Okay.
Unfortunately, you can only get the Cosworth with the automatic gearbox. They didn't offer a manual version.
Okay.
So it's one I've always wanted a Cosworth, but again, I've never found one cheap enough to begin with. I don't know if I wanted the automatic gearbox woes.
Yeah, because like manual, you know where you are with it.
Yeah.
You know, whereas an auto, I think you'd struggle to fix it if it goes wrong, stuff like that.
I mean, there's a company up in Great Yarmouth that does the reconditioned boxes for these. I mean, people these days have been converting them to manuals, but they do say afterwards that they don't drive the best. They're not, because it's not what it came from the factory.
No.
I've always wanted to find a factory manual one.
Is that kind of a lay-by? Yeah, that looks like it used to be part of a road.
Just to give it a refresh.
Well, the revs take a while to come down.
The rev counters. So the rev counters on these are a bit what they call lazy, and it's actually probably the only one in this country that's got a working rev counter.
Wow.
They never work.
That's cool. Right. I'd say that concludes the video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks very much for letting me have a go at the Granada and experiencing it. But please like, comment and subscribe, and check out East Coast Retros as well, because you'll see this there, but not next time, hopefully the one after.
The one after.
Yeah. But anyway, take care, thanks for watching, love you, bye.